Hi students, today we are going to start chapter wise specimen question for 12th standard from the chapter integration. Today is the 4th class, part 4. Here there are 7 questions is given from integration, from chapter integration, which are important for ISC, CBSE, West Bengal Board 12th standard. Here question number 28 is given. Here limit is 1 to 4. There are modulus oriented sum. We can take 3 interval 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. In 1 to 2, in this interval, suppose 1.5. So this is 1 point, this is positive, this is negative, this is negative. We remove the modulus. This is positive, both is negative. And 2 to 3, suppose 2.5. This is positive, this will be negative. And another one, 3 to 4. In this interval, all are positive. There are 3.5, positive, positive, positive. Remove the modulus. That is x minus 1 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 3. All are positive. Remove the modulus. Now let us break it. That is 1 to 2, that is x minus 1 minus x plus 2 minus x plus 3. Remove the bracket, sign change. Plus dx plus 2 to 3, x minus 1 plus x minus 2 minus x plus 3 dx. Another one, 3 to 4, x minus 1 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 3 dx. And doing addition, subtraction, that is 1 to 2, x cancelled. 5 minus 1 is 4 minus x dx plus 2 to 3, x cancelled. That is x, only x dx plus 3 to 4, 3x minus 6 dx. Now do integration. Now let's do integration here. 4x minus x square by 2, 1 to 2, 4x minus x square by 2 plus, it is x square by 2, 2 to 3 plus 3 into x square by 2 minus 6x. The limit is 3 to 4. Now taking our upper limit and lower limit, we can write upper limit 4 to the 8 minus 2 minus 4 minus half. 4 minus half plus 9 by 2 minus 2. 9 by 2 minus 2 plus, here is 3 by 2, 16 minus 24 minus, taking a lower limit, 3 by 2, 9 minus 18. Now remove it. That is 8 minus 6 minus 7 by 2. 6 minus 7 by 2 plus, here is 9 minus 4 by 2, that is 5 by 2 plus, this is 0 minus 27 by 2 minus 18, that is 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 minus 36 minus 27, that is 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2. 2 is LCM, that is 19 by 2 is your final answer. That is the value of the integration. Next, sum number 27. Sum number 27, here 0 to pi by 2, 2 sine x. We can write I equals to 0 to pi by 2 log of sine x whole square. Log of sine x whole square. 0 to pi by 2 log of sine x whole square minus log of sine 2x means 2 sine x cos x all over dx. That equals to 0 to pi by 2 log of sine x whole square log a minus log b by 2 sine x cos x dx. Again 0 to pi by 2 log of 0 to pi by 2 log of sine x by 2 cos x dx. That equals to 0 to pi by 2 log of sine x dx minus log a by log b, log a minus log b, that is log 2 0 to pi by 2 dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx. Log a by b, log a minus log b minus log b. Log this by this plus will be minus. Now 0 to pi by 2 log of sine x dx minus log 2 is constant, this is dx, dx integration x 0 to pi by 2, dx integration x limit 0 to pi by 2 minus 0 to pi by 2 log of cos pi by 2 minus x dx, taking the property, that is 0 to pi by 2 log of sine x dx minus pi by 2 log 2, this is minus 0 to pi by 2 log of sine x dx. This and this cancel, therefore I equals to minus pi by 2 log 2, that is your final answer. Then question number 30. Question number 30 is sine square. Question number 30. Taking the limit I equals to 0 to pi by 2 sine square pi by 2 minus x dx over 1 plus sine pi by 2 minus x cos pi by 2 minus x. That equals to 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Pi by 2 minus x is cos square x dx. Cos square x dx over 1 plus sin x cos x. Next, cos square x dx, that is I. Now adding this and this, 2i equals to, this is 1 and this is 2, adding this and this, integration 0 to pi by 2 sin square x plus cos square x dx 1 plus sin x cos x. This is I. This is I, this plus this. Adding this and the LCM is this, that is 1. That is 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 1 plus sin x cos x dx. Now you have to divide cos square x. 0 to pi by 2, 1 by cos square is sec square x. Sec square x dx. 1 by cos square means sec square x. Cos square divided, that is tan x. Equals to, now this sec square convert to tan. 0 to pi by 2 sec square x dx by 1 plus tan square x plus tan x. Now put tan x equals to z. Here let tan x equals to z, sec square x dx equals to dz. Now putting the limit, x equals to 0, z equals to 0, x equals to pi by 2, z equals to tan pi by 2 is infinity. Limit is changed. That is 0 to infinity dx 1 plus z square. 1 plus z square. Now change 1 plus z, that is z square plus z square plus 2 into z into half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 4. That is z plus half a whole square plus root 3 by 2 a whole square. You can write this. So that equals to, we can write 0 to infinity. It is dz. It is dz by z plus half whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Here it is the formula for x square tan 1 by a tan inverse x by a. That is 1 by a means 2 by root 3 tan inverse x by a, that is z plus half by, we can write 2z plus 1 by root 3, taking limit 0 to infinity. Tan inverse x by a, 2z plus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, that is 2 by root 3 tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 0 1 by root 3, that is 2 by root 3. Tan inverse infinity means pi by 2, tan inverse 1 by root 3 tan 30, that is pi by 6. Pi by 2 minus pi by 6, that is 2 by root 3, LCM is 6, 3 pi minus pi, that is 2 pi by 6, that is pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3 root 3 is your final answer. 2i is this. 2i is this. Therefore, I equals to pi by 3 root 3. This is your final answer. 2i value is 2 pi by 3 root 3. Therefore, I equals to pi by 3 root 3. Okay. Next, sum number 31. Question number 31. Here, we have to take another property, question number 31. A to B fx, that is limit pi by 5 to 3 pi by 10, that is sine 3 pi by 10 plus pi by 5 minus x dx by sine 3 pi by 10 plus pi by 5 minus x plus cos 3 pi by 10 plus pi by 5 minus x equals to pi by 5 to 3 pi by 10. Value of this is 10 is LCM, 3 pi plus 2 pi, and that is pi by 2. So we can write sine pi by 2 minus x dx by sine pi by 2 minus x plus cos pi by 2 minus x equals to integration pi by 5 3 pi by 10. This is cos x dx. This is I equals to this cos x dx, that is sin x plus cos x. Now 2i, adding this 2i, this is this plus this, 2i equals to pi by 5 3 pi by 10 sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x dx, that is pi by 5 3 pi by 10 dx, that is x pi by 5 to 3 pi by 10, that is 3 pi by 10 minus pi by 5. This minus this. Here is 10 is LCM, 3 pi minus 2 pi, that is pi by 10. So therefore 2i is pi by 10, therefore I equals to pi by 20. That is your final answer of this given integration. Next, sum number 32. Question number 32. Here is prove this. Question number 32. Integration 0 to pi minus x sin q pi minus x dx equals to 0 to pi minus x, that is sin pi minus x, pi minus x sin q pi minus x, that is sin q x dx. That is, remove it, 0 to pi sin qx minus I. The x sin qx dx is I. X sin qx dx is I. That is 2i. Therefore 2i equals to pi sin qx, you can write sin square x into sin x dx. It is 0 to pi. That is pi 0 to pi sin square 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx. Now put cos x equals to z. Put cos x equals to z minus sin x dx equals to dz. The sin x dx is minus dz. Now limit will be changed when x equals to 0, z equals to 1, and x equals to pi, z equals to minus 1. So limit will be changed. 2i equals to limit 1 to minus 1, 1 minus z square, that is minus dz. That we can write, remove the minus sign, this is minus 1 to 1, 1 minus z square dz, and pi is outside, minus pi is outside. That is equals to pi z minus z cube by 3 minus 1 to 1. That equals to pi upper limit 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 1 by 3. That is pi 2 by 3 minus 3 plus 1, that is plus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is 4 pi by 3. So 2I is 4 pi by 3, therefore I equals to 2 pi by 3 is your final answer. I equals to 2 pi by 3. Okay, let's do next sum. Sum number 33. Question number 33. It is another, we have to take another property. Question number 33. Integration 0 to pi. First of all, we have to remove sin x cos x. X sin x by cos x 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x dx 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. Cos x is LCM, x sin x by 1 plus sin x cos x. Now put the limit 0 to pi minus x sin pi minus x 1 plus sin pi minus x dx, that equals to 0 to pi minus x sin x dx 1 plus sin x, 0 to pi sin x dx by 1 plus sin x minus I, that is x sin x dx by 1 plus, that is I. We can take this is I minus I. Then 2I, I is outside, 0 to pi. If we sin x 1 minus sin x multiply by 1 minus sin x, that is cos s square x, that is pi 0 to pi sin x splitting sin x by cos s square, that is tan x sec x minus tan s square x is sin s square x by cos tan s square x, that is 1 plus sec square x. Tan s square is sec square x minus 1. Sec square x minus 1 dx. Now let us do integration, that is pi. Tan x sec integration is sec x 0 to pi minus sec square integration is tan x. This is 0 to pi plus x 0 to pi minus plus x 0 to pi. Now take pi sec pi minus sec 0 minus tan pi minus tan 0 plus pi minus 0. That is all over pi. That is pi. Sec pi is minus 1 minus 1. Tan pi is 0 plus, this is 0 plus pi. That is pi minus 2. The 2I value is this, therefore I equals to pi by 2, pi minus 2. That is your final answer. Next sum number last 34. Question number 34. It is also modulus oriented sum, that is here x plus 1, x minus 1. It is, we have to break like this, minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0. Here this will be minus sign, minus x cube minus x plus 0 to 1, this will be x cube minus x, there is dx, x cube minus x dx, 0 to 1, that is 0.5, this will be also negative. প্লাস এবার 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Here limit is still 2, 1 to 2, this will 1 to 2, suppose 1.5. This is positive, this is positive, this is positive. That is x cube minus x. Remove the modulus. I am telling again, minus 1 to 0, that is minus 0.5. Minus 0.5, this is negative coming. Therefore, whole thing is negative. Remove. 1 to 0 to 1, suppose 0.5. This is negative. Or you remove this will be negative value. Now let's break it. This is minus x to the power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2. That is minus 1 to 0 minus x to the power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2. That is 0 to 1 plus x 4 by 4 minus x square by 2. That is 1 to 2. Now taking upper limit, this whole thing is 0. 0 minus, taking minus 1, that is minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus. It is 1 by 4 minus half minus 0, 0 to 2. This is 16 by 4, that is 4 minus 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. That is minus 4 is LCM minus 1, and let's break it. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. This and this cancelled. That is 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 2. LCM is 4. 6 minus 1 plus 8. 13 by 4 is your final answer. That is 4, 6 minus 1, 4 to the 8. 13 by 4 is your final answer. Okay, let's please copy the sums, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.